If you're passionate about blockchain technology and willing to create your own private blockchain, you're in the right place. We're diving into everything you need to know about building a private blockchain from scratch. So, let's get started. First, let's clarify what is a private blockchain. Unlike public blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, a private blockchain is a closed network where only specific participants can access and validate transactions. This setup offers enhanced security, privacy, and control, making it ideal for businesses and organizations. Before we get into the steps, it's crucial to note that partnering with a reputable blockchain development firm like Blocktunix can significantly streamline the process. Our expertise will ensure that your private blockchain is tailored to your specific business needs. Alright, now let's discuss how to create a private blockchain. Here are the essential steps. Step 1. Define your use case. First, you must identify why you need a private blockchain. Whether it's for supply chain management, secure transactions, or data privacy, defining your use case will guide the development process. Step 2. Select the right consensus algorithm. Choose an algorithm that fits your needs. Options include Proof of Authority, POA, Practical Byzantine Fault Tolerance, PBFT, Delegated Proof of Stake, DPS. Step 3. Set up the network. Establish a permissioned network with authorized participants. This is where Blocktunix can assist in configuring the network effectively. Step 4. Choose a blockchain platform. There are some popular options which include Hyperledger Fabric, Quorum, and Corda. Each platform has its strengths, so select one that aligns with your use case and requirements. Step 5. Develop smart contracts. We all know that smart contracts automate processes within your blockchain. Look for developers who can develop these contracts carefully, as they will dictate the rules and operations of your network. Step 6. Implement data encryption. It is important to ensure robust encryption for data security during transmission and storage. This protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Step 7. Testing. You must conduct thorough testing to identify and fix vulnerabilities. This is essential for ensuring the integrity and functionality of your blockchain. Step 8. Deployment and maintenance. Deploy your private blockchain and establish protocols for ongoing maintenance and updates. Regular audits and updates will keep your blockchain secure and efficient. Now, creating a private blockchain can transform the way you manage data and transactions within your organization. By following these steps and leveraging the expertise of Blocktunix, you can build a robust and secure blockchain solution. You might be asking, what are the prime benefits of a private blockchain? Well, let's quickly recap the benefits of having a private blockchain. Enhanced security. It restricts access, which reduces the risk of malicious attacks. Greater privacy. Your sensitive data remains within the network. Improved efficiency. Private blockchains' customizable consensus mechanisms speed up transactions. Control and governance. You get full control over network participants and operations. So, why choose Blocktunix for private blockchain development? When you partner with Blocktunix, you get access to industry-leading expertise, customizable solutions, and ongoing support. We help you harness the full potential of blockchain technology tailored to your business requirements. Our services include consulting, proof of concept, blockchain launch and maintenance. With 6+ years of experience in delivering blockchain solutions, we make sure you stay ahead of the competition with the latest technologies. For more information, simply click the link below in the description to get in touch.